Good day to you where they watch and listen to us live on Top Christed Radio and Television, where your matter now we own. Time don't reach for us to summer you sharp to read this afternoon and collect them as it hot. Saudi Airlines, they collect woto after they abandon 401 passengers. We suppose they go Kano, can't hang them for Nnamdi Azikiwe International Airport, Abuja for nearly 48 hours. And this one caused tension and worry about security. The Nigerian Civil Aviation Authority say bad weather for inside Kano. Now in course made it for divert the aeroplane to Abuja. But they blame the airline for failing to arrange how the passengers go continue their journey reach Kano. NCAA talk person Michael Achimogu and all of this from Top X. He say other airlines will divert under the same condition, come make other arrangement for their passengers. Now only this Saudi airline will return back to their base without making arrangements for how their passengers go move ahead. He say, you need to see the hardness when they got to manage more than 200 passengers with the vest, where they stranded without any clear information. He say everything what they do to follow the airline yarn be hard because they no get office or operation base inside Nigeria. The National Association of Resident Doctors, them NARD, don't press the suspension for the plan to do strike all over the country after waiting them call confirm progress for waiting they ask make government do for them, and say they have been sitting down to talk with Ogbonge government and other people that will get matter levels for the matter and everything they move fine. Then decide to pause the suspension for one online emergency National Executive Council meeting where they do on January 11, 2026, where the joint body for say make them look the level of waiting they ask for and make them come assess how things they go so far. The joint body say this suspension now based on direct presidential hand in the matter through Vice President Kashim Shettima on behalf of Oga President Bola Tinubu. The Secretary General of NARD, Dr. Shuaibu Ibrahim, contact say this suspension is strategical, but it is based on condition. And it go allow the NEC, make them go back, go look how things they go, the progress so far for their January meeting will go happen on January 25, 2026. All right, about now, Ogbonge government and the Academic Staff Union of Universities, ASUU, on Wednesday, January 14, go sit down and do an officially new agreement where go improve the quality of university education system and make sure say education for university they stable. Talk paper will come up for the hand of the Ministry of Education. Say this ceremony go happen for the Tertiary Education Trust Fund, that na TED Fund Conference Hall, where they might tama for inside Abuja. The person will go lead this ceremony na Minister of Education, Dr. Maruf Alausa, and Madam Minister of State for Education, Professor Suwaiba Ahmed. All of this, they happen after the recent 14 days ultimatum where ASUU been give government. But they later cancel strike before the thing starts after ASUU and federal government been do talkings overnight. Still for inside the country, the Socio-Economic Rights and Accountability Project, SERAP, don't file case for court against the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, on top accusations say they mismanaged 55.9 billion naira, where they're supposed to use by smart card readers, ballot papers, result sheets, and other election material for 2019 general election. This accusation then, where then list inside the Auditor General latest year-by-year report, composed on September 9, 2025, they accuse INEC, say they failed to proper give accounts of the money where they share to contractors with plenty payment where they do without documentation or proper approve. Inside this case, where the SERAP been filed last Friday for Federal High Court inside Abuja, this joint body they ask for court order to force INEC to come and talk it to public all of the information of this missing money, plus the name of all the contractors, their directors, the shareholders, and even how to recover back this money. According by SERAP, the one where INEC failed to be transparent and accountable inside how they spend this money, it show say then they rubbish Nigeria right to free and fair election. And finally, for this time, Iran, inside of outside country, say they stand gym fully ready for any gbasgbos wey go happen. But at the same time, they're ready to negotiate. This now according by their minister on top outside country matter on Monday. All of this, they happen as United States President Donald Trump don't talk, say the leader of Iran, they find how to sit down with them to talk after in threatening, say in go send soldier there to go deal with them as they press down people where they do we no go agree. The minister of outside country for Iran, Abbas Arakchi, been tell a joint body of ambassadors from other countries them inside Tehran where them broadcast by state TV, say the Islamic Republic of Iran no they find fight to, but they very ready if not fight one boss. He said the country also ready to negotiate, but this negotiation suppose they fair with equal rights and based on mutual respect. And now here, now go take close mouth on top sharp story for this time. Don't forget to join us later for another one. But until then, continue to follow us on top all social media handles at Christ Radio TV. My name na Princess Aniana. Enjoy the rest of your day.